Good morning, sir. Myself, Harini. My roll number is 23401A0441. My branch is ECA section, and my topic is PN junction diode. Subject name is electronic device and circuits, and subject code is 23A04301. A topic PN junction diode. Introduction to PN junction diode. PN junction diodes are semiconductors devices formed by joining P and N type materials. They are fundamental components in electronic circuits, widely used for rectifications, and understanding their operation is crucial for applications in electronics and telecommunications. And in the diagram P and N, the middle is a depletion layer, and if P is P is a holes diffusion, P is a holes. The in the P type, the majority carriers is holes, and N type the majority carriers is electrons. And the structure of a PN junction diode. PN junction diode is consists of two layers, P type layer and N type layer. The P type layer is doped with elements that creates holes, while N type layer has excess the electrons. The junction between these two types creates an electric field essential for its operations. Working principle: when a voltage is applied, the diode allows to current flow in one direction only. Forward bias is reduces the barrier potential, allows carries to recombine access the junction. In reverse bias, the depletion layer width is increases because the positive terminal is connected to N type, and negative terminal is connected to P type. So they are attracted, so the depletion layer is increased. In forward bias, the depletion layer is decreases. So because the P type is connected to P terminal and N type is connected to negative terminal, so it forms the repulsion. So the width of the depletion layer is decreases. The forward bias condition is: in forward bias, the positive terminal is connected to P type and negative terminal is connected to N side. The configuration lower the potential barrier, enabling current to flow. The diode is conducts electricity when the applied voltage exceeds the threshold, typically around zero point 0.4 for silicon diodes. In the graph, the when the zero point 0.7, after the zero point 0.7, you increase the graph. In reverse bias, the positive terminal is connected to N side and negative terminal is connected to P side. They increase the barrier potential, widening the depletion region. Current flow is a minimal in this state, allowing the diode to block reverse. And the current flow is a minimum in this state, allowing the diode to block reverse current effectively. Characteristics of PN junction diode. The current voltage VI characteristics curve illustrates the diode behavior under different bias. In forward bias, the current is increases exponentially with applied voltage. In the reverse bias, the current remains nearly constant until breakdown occurs. Applications of PN junction diode. PN junction diodes are commonly used in rectifiers for converting AC to DC. They are essentially in signal demodulations, allowing communication signals to be extracted. These diodes also play a role in voltage regulation and protection circuits. And this is the diode. The anode and cathode. The anode is a negative and cathode is a positive. The anode is the anode and cathode between the potential barrier is created. The Zener diodes and their functions. A special type of PN junction diode is the Zener diode, designed to operate in the reverse bias. Zener diode maintains a constant output voltage making them useful for voltage regulations. They allow current to flow in the reverse direction when a specific breakdown voltage is reached. Limitations of PN junction diode. PN junction diodes have a forward voltage drop leading to power loss in high current applications. They can also be sensitive to temperature changes which may affect performance. Higher reverse voltage can cause breakdown and permanent damage if not managed properly. Comparison with other diodes. Comparing to Schottky diodes, PN junction diode have a higher forward voltage drop, and unlike light emitting diode, PN junction diodes do not emit light during operations. Each type of diode is suited for specific applications based on its unique characteristics. Future trends in diode technology. Advancement in material such as silicon carbide and gallium nitride and enhancing diode performance. New diode designs are being developed for higher efficiency and faster switching times. Research into novel semiconductors. New diodes is Research into novel semiconductors compounds aims to create diodes with improved thermal and electrical characteristics. Conclusion of the PN junction diode. PN junction diodes are internal to modern electronic devices and systems. Their unique properties enable a wide range of applications from power supplies to communication systems. Understanding their operation and characteristics is essentially for their unique properties enables a wide range of applications from power supplies to communication systems. Understanding their operations and characteristics is essentially for anyone working in electronics. Feel free to expand or modify any sections as needed. Thank you, sir.